Welcome back to Shane's Main Shop. Today I'm going to show you how to pack grease in a Baron. This is a brand new Baron. It's got a little bit of grease on it, of course, because I've already done two of them. But there's no grease in this, brand new from the factory. It's a Timken Baron. And you want to put a amount of grease in your hand. You'll probably have to add to it for bigger Barons as well. But you're going to just basically work your way around by squeezing it down on top of that pile of grease all the way. And as you do it, it's squeezing the grease up through the back side of the Baron, and eventually you'll see it come out the top. So you want to continue that all the way around until you see the grease. I don't know if you can look closely, you might be able to see through all the way right now on that little rim there. You might be able to see right through it. Maybe you can't, it's kind of small. But when you're done, that will be all filled with grease, and then you know it's packed all the way. So I'll go ahead and get going here for a little bit, and then we'll shut it off and show you when it starts to come through the top so you can see it. But like I said, you're just going to squeeze it on there, turn it, and just squeeze it on top of that pile. It's forcing it up through the Baron from the back side, and it'll come out the front. Alright, so I won't bore you with this. We'll just get it close, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so it might be hard to tell, but now you can see on the rim there, there's obviously residual grease from my thumb, but right close inside there, it is starting to push up through. You may be able to see it, you may not be able to see it. I'll try to go slow and not move too much. Starting to squeeze up through. That way you know you've gone all the way. Yeah, see it's starting to come out now? So I'm just going to go all the way and make sure it's out all the way around that rim. We're pretty much there. So now if you look, because you can clean the center out because you can't help but get some in there. Not that it's hurting anything, but it's not in the Barons themselves. Now if you look at that space I was telling you about, that's the grease has come from the bottom all the way up through, so you have it all around all of the rollers, all the way through the entire Baron, and it's packed really good with grease. You can buy a tool to do this, but like I said, it's just as easy to do it by hand. I mean, the camera was only turned off for maybe a minute or two, and that's about how long it took to do a Baron of this size. So hopefully you liked the video, found it useful. But yeah, that's how you can pack a Baron. Thanks for swinging by Shane's Main Shop. Please like, subscribe, come back on for more videos. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.